Okay, Alien Dad here. What are we doing today, Els?
We are showing you how to make a lava lamp.
Okay, so how do you make a lava lamp at home on one of these days where you're stuck in the house? Well, tell us about the ingredients we're going to need.
Some ingredients you'll need are vegetable oil, some water, a bottle.
A bottle.
Yes, you'll need a bottle.
And we had to peel off the labels, but we left the flower on this bottle because it's going to be a little cute.
And some Alka-Seltzer. If you don't have Alka-Seltzer, use salt. If you don't have vegetable oil, if you even have baby oil, use that. If you don't have vegetable oil but you have baby oil, use that.
Now, what about this ingredient? What are these?
They're food colorings.
Okay.
Food colorings.
So this lava lamp basically is like those old time bubbly lamps where the bubbles rise up and down and they're a different color. They're usually plugged into the wall, but this one's going to operate just on the energy that's created by the Alka-Seltzer in the water, right?
Yeah.
And what is the difference like that makes the water separate from the oil? What's that word?
Density.
Density. Okay. Density. So I guess the gravity of the water.
Oh, and also optional, you can add some sequins or some glitter, and I'm testing out this gem to see if it works.
Okay, cool. Well, let's get to it because it's pretty easy to do. We take our vegetable oil and what do we do with it?
Pour it in to 3/4 mark.
Now,
I don't think we can get it there because of the big bottle, but...
So our bottle is 1 liter, and 1 liter is 32 ounces. So we know that the whole contents of this container of vegetable oil is only 24 ounces, and we used some earlier. So this one won't be totally full, but you'll get the idea, and it will still look pretty cool.
Yes, it will look very cool, especially if you put it under the lighted source.
We have a lighted source that will illuminate our project when we're done. But we're going to get to doing the project for now and not get too caught up in that. All right, so next we just need to put the water. We need to put the water. It's okay. We're going to worry about that last. All right, so now we're going to put the water in to... This can get messy now. All right, and we'll notice that the water will drop down to the bottom, right?
Yeah.
All right, now, do you want to deal with the adding of the food coloring? And you can tell the audience what you're doing with the food coloring, and I'll work on the light while you're doing that.
So you chop in a few drops. Depends on how big your bowl is. You can add more. You can add. If you have a really big bottle, you might want to add more food colorings. 5, 6. I'm gonna go 10.
You doing 10 drops?
Well,
all right.
Should we be doing 10 drops?
Yes. Okay. So the drops are in there.
How can I get those drops down?
Well, let's just try to aim it a little. Look, lots of drops. Okay. So where's the cap? All right. So we're going to put the cap back on the food coloring because food coloring can get very messy at times, and we don't want to get messy.
Also have the gem.
Okay, so you're putting a gem in there as a part of our experiment. So the Alka-Seltzer, you have to have a grown-up. to even deal with this stuff. So make sure the grown-ups around when you're using it, because this is not for kids to play with by themselves or unsupervised. So you can take this and crush it up.
There's one crust on
Smash it a little more.
I'm taking it out, and then I'll smash it. Break it.
Show them how you're breaking it.
Break it.
Okay. Now what? I'm going to move this up a little bit. And where's the
Drop the pieces in. Start with one piece to see how it works, how the whole thing works.
So if we look at it, at the bottom.
And then another.
See, at the bottom, it's starting to get mixed. Okay, we're going to leave that up there. Okay, Ayla's dropping more in there. Okay, it's starting to get there. We'll put the cap on. Not that we need it on a bottle where we have this much space in it. So, then we can see the bubbles working, and we'll take and we'll make it so Ailey's not blocked, but you can see the light. Okay, you can move over there. Let me get it. And that.
Oh, there's the gem.
Is our lava lamp. It's very cool, isn't it? And you can see how the bubbles go
We
up
only have
and
one
down.
nice light source and two of these.
Yeah, and you can experiment with different things in there. You could put what? What else could you put in there? We could try another color and see if that has an impact.
See if color number 2 has any impact.
And we can drop, I don't know why this one, and drop another Alka-Seltzer in there and see if that loosens everything up a bit more. But yeah, that's our lava lamp. Very cool, right, Ails?
Yeah, it's very cool.
Well, we hope you enjoyed our video. And we look forward to you watching another one and liking our channel.
Yes.
And what is our channel called?
Kidonomics.
So like and subscribe.
Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Or else somebody will spill their lava lamp on you.